Mga classmates, whether you accept or like what I'm about to say or not, I'm simply stating a fact. I'm conveying that the only truth is not my truth or your truth, but God's truth. Brace yourself for a harsh reality, mga classmates. Entering the kingdom of heaven is decidedly exclusive, mga classmates, to those who are faithful, humble, and obedient children of God, who have accepted His grace of salvation through their faith. Mga classmates, it's not about doing good works, but about the works you do because they are fruits of that grace, not your own doing. So, people who like to twist God's will to justify immoral and evil action by using free will, diversity, and inclusivity as excuses won't cut it, mga classmates. Don't be mad at me, mga classmates. I'm just a messenger of what God is stated in His words in His book. Getting angry at me won't change the fact, mga classmates, that the entry into the kingdom of heaven is very exclusive, as is stated in Mark 10, verse 25. It is easier for a camel to go through the eye of a needle than for a rich person to enter the kingdom of God. That's from Mark chapter 10, verse 25. Thus, mga classmates, we can flaunt our good deeds and charity works to the world and receive praises, but it's not these people or us who will judge whether you can enter the narrow gate of the kingdom of heaven. Jesus, when he meets you, will know you.